Alright, the floors are officially back together and done. Let me get some marks here so I know where I'm at. That out. That's what we got to cut out. Alright, good morning. As you can see, we got a big hole in the floor. We're going to have to clean up. No problem here. But I wanted to show you the fit of this panel. I got it cut down almost to size. Let's see what I can get here. You can see it fits right in there nice. I got to cut this here out. I got to drill some holes along here. A couple of pinch, put some holes along here. And she'll be ready to go in. Alright. Guess better get to work. This panel, it's just, I can't say enough about this company. Clark's Corvair parts. They got some really nice stuff. Fit and finish is nice. Alright, we got some cleanup to do. We got to cut this out. We'll get that done. Then we can go to welding.
The notch has been cut out of the floor here, and now it's time to see how the panel fits.
Alright, let's see how she fits. Before I have a fit. Okay, don't fit there. Don't fit there. It almost does. So, yes. There. Let's see what we got to do there. This all looks pretty good over here. Anyway. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I can feel that. cut that off. Right there. Yeah, yeah. Oh, simple. Eye construction. A little bit. Just a wee bit more. Down a little bit. Right on the end.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Give up on my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Give up on my way home, yeah. Give up on my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me.
Alright. Now the fun begins. We're going to go have coffee. And then, after it's cooled down, I can get in there and lay down. I can do some grinding. That's a little on the warm side right now. Alright, the floors are officially back together and done. I'll give you a rundown of them. Back floors are all done. I ran out of primer. Gotta get some more. Everything's welded in, ready to go. Gas pedals repaired, the floor under that. Everything over there is repaired. Now our next job is in the front. I'll take you over and show it to you. Down below that chrome strip is rot, and on behind here is rotted. So we got this here. So I'll probably cut it about in here or up in here, whatever I need. When we get it taken apart and jacked up, we'll take a look and see what we need. All right. I'll let you go for now.